What's going on, guys? I edited this whole video and forgot to put an intro. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading my setup one again, skinning the desk, and I'm actually going to move everything to where it's supposed to be. Just got my new TV, so we're going to set that up, see how things go. Should be a smooth process, I hope. Let's go ahead and get into the video. This is me skinning the desk with these green vinyl, contact paper, vinyl wrap, I don't know what the difference is. I think it's contact paper. But let's get into it.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other boy, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. It got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I knew. One night, I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should have mine. I make your plans, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next time I get here. I make your plans, I still love you. Rather be still than alone. I get the sense that it's
Okay, this is the current state of my living room. Stuff is kind of just everywhere. But hold on, I want to show you. The desk looks nice. If you would focus. So this is one of the things I want to show off. This is the Hex Cow Studio. It is super expensive, by the way, but so right here is where, hold on, it's better to show the back first. So on the back of it, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 outlets, which basically works as an extension cord. So, and then also what they have, which I like, so you can plug up to 8 things in here. And then they have these, if I can show you, which you can thread everything through and then hide it underneath. And then also, I think it's on this side, if you wanted to put, let me see. Okay, and then right over here, it has 2 USB pass-throughs because one charger and one USB charger and one Type-C charger. So if you wanted to, you could use pass-through and charge. You can use this as a pass-through and just store a storage device down here. Before I was using this, which isn't bad, but the way I had to have it mounted was I had to put sticky on one side and then like have it just out through the back. And then I couldn't really, it was harder to mount stuff. But with this, I can store everything nice and neat. And also it has a light in the front, which I can show you later on once I get everything plugged up. But now it's time to show you how we cable manage this whole thing.
Spoiler alert, this nigga dies. And you know the weed sticky, my finger itchy, Glock like the leaf hickeys. Your shooter's iffy, a street punk can never diss me. I come straight up out the 6 and we don't spell 6. I fuck with her and fuck with her and her.
This is also one simple thing I wanted to show people because a lot of people don't believe like TVs like these you can just right off the wall. It's just 2 brackets. pretty much it.
That's all I'm on, nigga. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on, nigga. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on, nigga. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Let it bang bang, let it bang bang, till his brains hang, and his mama sang, and the pastor sang, and the bully sang, and the chopper sang, and the choir sang. I'm on everything. Jacob charged me $450 for a tennis chain. US Open had it on us at the tennis game. Tell the coach don't take me out, I like to finish games. Am I pen insane? Am I men insane? There's like 80 of us now, that's a scary thing. Shit they doing on that other side embarrassing. We in Paris with it, 100 carats with it. All this shit is for my son cause he's inheriting it.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody.
Wasn't mine. Scared of a different short, coming flat to overdraft into finish line. Better than we started, evidence we missed, and I'm the not moving up with wrong with me. I like the way you see your face, keeping me right when I needed you wrong.
Everything was going well. Got everything almost set up. I was plugging in the cables, and and when I went to go plug in the fucking so now the plan is, I guess, I'm in the video here. I'm frustrated because I literally just got everything the way I wanted it. Okay, so what ended up happening is I'm just gonna hold the camera like this just because I feel like being different. I got super depressed. I got super depressed after doing all the stuff for the shit, and it didn't work. So I took a nap, went to sleep, and then I woke up, cleaned up the living room. As you can kind of tell, like everything's nice and clean. If you look right there, I went to Best Buy and exchanged it and bought another one. This is the last one they had on the shelf, so thank God. I went right when they opened. Went right at 10 o'clock. So let's put the setup back together, and hopefully we can end this video on a good note. Alright, y'all. TV's back up. Let's see if we can end this video on a good note. Let's see if she turns on. Here we go. Okay, so actually, in second thought, I'm gonna end the video here. The next thing we're probably gonna do is end up cable managing, and then we'll update the peripherals. I'll update my mic and a few other surprises. But if you guys have any comments about anything, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Please like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.